How to update PHP version in Xampp server. So if you open your CMD and type PHP-v, you can see the version is 8.2. Let's see how to update into 8.5. So for that, first of all, open your Chrome and type PHP download. So from that, click on the first link, and from here you will find this thread save version. So click on this zip and it will be download. So I have already downloaded it, so I have cancelled it. Now go to your downloads folder and find your zip. So the zip is this. So right click and click on extract all and click on extract. So as you can see, it extracted. Now copy the link, copy the folder. Now go to your this PC, C drive, Xampp, and inside that you will find the folder called PHP. So now rename it and rename by PHP old. Now come to bottom and paste your latest PHP folder. Okay, now rename it to PHP. Now open your PHP folder and here you can find this php.ini development. So right click and click on rename and just remove hyphen development and click on php.ini. Okay, so if I click on properties, you can see the file name is php.ini. Okay, now right click and click on open. So open it by your Windows notepad. Now search for this name as extension directory. I will show you in another tab. The command is this extension directory. Okay, so now search for this and click on find next. You will find this line. So this line on Windows, you just need to uncomment it, and here you will find ext. Now this is the important step. Now go to your latest PHP ext folder and copy the path. Now come to your notepad and paste it like this. Okay, now click on save. Click on save. Now come to below section and here you will find this long extension directory type. So from here I will remove some of the comments, which is first of all curl, then ftp, then gd, then mb string, then openssl, then pdo mysql, pdo mysql, pdo pgsql. Okay, and in below you will uncomment this zip, uncomment this sqlite, and uncomment these sockets. Now go to your file and click on save. And the last but not the least, you will find two more things. Now the last thing, which is you need to increase the file size. So search by this variable, sorry, upload max file size. Okay, if I search for file size, it cannot find. Okay, so just close it and okay, so come to your ext and click on open, and here, okay, so last but not the least, click on this php.ini and click on edit. Now here search for this string upload max file size. Okay, so here this is 2 MB, so change it to 500 MB, and also search for another variable which is post max size. Okay, it says it cannot find. Let's save it and click on edit. Search for this variable. Yeah, you can find this is the variable. This is 8 MB, change it to 500 MB. Okay, and click on save. Okay, I think after all everything has been done. Now stop your existing server, or if it already stopped, this is very good. So click on restart, and whatever the error comes, click on OK. Okay, now if I open cmd and type php-v, you can see the latest version is 8.5. okay,